Here's how I grew my Pinterest profile from 0 to 17K, all within 1 year. And during that time, I brought in organic sales to my Amazon FBA store. I organically grew my social media platforms, and I got affiliate marketing sales. My name is Losaya. I'm a content creator, e-commerce entrepreneur, and Pinterest manager. Welcome to part one of how I leverage Pinterest to monetize social media and grow my online business. First thing you want to do is convert your Pinterest profile to a business account. It is free and you can do that in your profile settings. That gets you access to the Creator Hub, where you can then see all of your analytics to all of your idea pins, and you can see how many times people are clicking your idea pin and what Pinterest boards they are saving your content to. This is what I mean about the Creator Hub. It shows you how many impressions one idea pin gets, how many saves, follows, and profile visits you receive just from that one idea pin. And Pinterest also shows you what the users on the app are saving your content to. These are all different Pinterest boards that different users have created, and it shows you exactly where your boards are being pinned to. Seeing what boards your content is being saved to is a really good strategy to find more content ideas to start pushing out on Pinterest, because everything that is in those Pinterest boards that the users are saving is what interests them. Second step I did was repurpose all of my video content that I ever created on TikTok. I started repurposing all of my Amazon FBA content. My content was all about giving tips and advice on how to start Amazon FBA. Not only did I repurpose my Amazon FBA videos without any watermark, but I also converted my videos giving the value about Amazon FBA into infographics. Okay, and those infographics I would upload as idea pins and standard pins. I'll give you an example. This is a video that I uploaded to Pinterest, but right now it's not showing. And as you can see, I added a carousel post and added different tips of what Amazon FBA is. Before I posted any type of content to Pinterest, I did do keyword research on my niche and my content in specific. You have to do keyword research when you're posting to Pinterest because Pinterest is a visual search engine. Your content will thrive on Pinterest and reach your exact target audience plus more if you have a keyword-rich title and description. And you find those keywords by doing the proper keyword research. Come back for part two and I'll show you all about keyword research with Pinterest marketing.